Jewelry retail is growing, but so are invisible leaks. Gold grams lost in repair returns. Stock that vanishes between ERP and POS. Ledgers updated manually while dashboards look clean. CFOs, CEOs, and CTOs. If you think your ERP has it all covered, 2025 may surprise you.
As a CFO, I trust my ERP reports, but reality bites when 7.8 grams go into repair, only 6.9 come back. Inventory on paper doesn't match store shelves. Dashboards stay green, while my P&L bleeds quietly. The scariest part, I don't even see it until it's too late.
For CEOs, the risk is bigger than grams and mismatches. It's about brand trust. One small leak repeated across hundreds of stores equals crores in silent loss. Your growth story can collapse, not from competition, but from blind spots you didn't close.
As a CTO, I know ERPs digitize data, but digitization is not automation. My team still does manual ledger entries, reconciles POS mismatches, and fixes dashboards at midnight. We need systems that work for people, not people patching systems.
By 2025, leaders who ignore these leaks will bleed crores without warning. But leaders who act today will close invisible losses, free CFOs from firefighting, give CEOs clean growth metrics, let CTOs lead real digital transformation. At ProGoXperts, we uncover what ERPs leave behind. With 250 plus automation use cases, we give enterprise leaders one thing they rarely have: peace of mind. Jewelry retailers, it's time to close the leaks your ERP won't show you. Let's talk.